Hey guys, here's my mini vegetable garden, and as you can see, it is right in the middle of my backyard. So that is where my garden is. It's in the middle of my backyard. As you can see, I already have plants growing all around the perimeter of my backyard. But because I love growing vegetables, I decided to put most of them in pots and place them right in the middle of this garden. So this way, they get plenty of sunshine and have enough space to grow healthy and strong. This is one way also of how you can make use of the middle grassland. See here, especially I like the open space where they can grow healthy and strong. Right? So let me show you what I have been growing here. So I have loofah. Look at that. It's very long. See? One, two, three, four, five. So I have loofah here, the bitter melon on this side, and kale. Look how robust they are. And today I will be harvesting them. I also have sweet potatoes here. It's in a big pot. And then over there in the middle are peppers. So cute. It's a mini garden where they are in pots and I'm able to use them because most of my plants around the perimeter of this property are actually perennials, except for overflow of this vegetable. I also have vines here and you can see, wow, squash. I have that and this one and more of the loofah, and this is the smooth loofah. Let's see, they're producing fruits now. So cute. And here, so cute. I have tomatoes here that just sprouted, so I took care of it. I have more in the front yard. So there you go. Now this time, oh, look at that. I think it's ready. Actually, I harvested already and I missed to see this because the rest now is still very small. Like this one. I still have those loofah here. But if you noticed, I have those coleuses. In between them, I have lavatera. Actually, I didn't know why. One got delayed in bearing the flowers, but that one is so robust and only now that's starting to produce the flowers. Aside from that, I have those canna lilies, and look at those coleuses. It's so beautiful. So it just not to show boring in this vegetable cluster. I added those coleuses just to give color. So I'm going now to harvest some of this beautiful kale. I really love growing vegetables this way because I can maximize the space I have while still giving my veggies plenty of sunlight. I plan on cooking it with shrimp. And if you're interested, I put a video of how to cook this kale with shrimp in coconut cream. I love it. It's so yummy. It's crispy, very organic. I don't know what those are. Let me get that. I love my kale. Wow, they're not very strong, so I'll make them pull this out. Anything matured, I'll take it. So another batch later on for this. I have more here. And I'm bringing it to farm. My friends love this. That's why I love cooking it. And we all enjoy it. Wow. Leave it like that. This one here to figure out. So here's my kale. Allah. I'm gonna cook this. Ta-da! There you have it. Fresh and organic kale right in my garden. There's really something special about growing your own vegetables, your own food, and bringing it to the table, straight from the garden to the table, to the kitchen. Right. So that's all, folks. Thank you for watching today, for joining me in my garden, and I'll see you in the next one.